This is a reading question there, so we were reading some data around. We need to have three comparison. It could be anything, just compare the different. However, make sure you are reading the graph carefully because you should be using the correct word. So percentage, which is one of the unit, will be we have members 64 and guest 36. This is wrong. We need to have the percentage. Let me find some color. We need to, based on this percentage here, so you have to write down the percent. All right, without the percent, sorry. Make sure grammatically correct as well. All right, make sure you have the percentage there. Otherwise, without the percentage, you do not read the data carefully. Also, and also mean means the average. So we could have the second one is like average visiting hours are 4 for members and 2.5 for hours for guests. Something like that. But make sure you just have to relate it to the mean, which is the average there. So careful with the or even it's just can be saying that there are fewer guests than members. Let us write it nicely. So anything from there, even a comparison, we need to find out the difference between these two. So which is acceptable, like. But then in general statement, like members are more often, or the difference is 28%, that is not enough because we need to find out the difference there. So careful with your reading and make sure you are using the words as well, not just reading the numbers of this type of question. And I'll see you next time.